Hello Babydoge coin holders my friends. So what's going on in the Babydoge coin my friends? What's the latest update? What's the current price and what's the price changes my friends? Is the price pump? Is the price jump? In this video we are going to discuss the Babydoge coin token my friends. But my friends, please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos. So this time my friends, the price of the Babydoge coin is 0. Oh my god, I'm sorry my friends. Now the price of the Babydoge coin is also very low my friends, very low my friends. Other side the price change is going wrong my friends. You know what, a lot of people ask me questions about Babydoge coin, that is Babydoge coin is a good investment in the market or not. So my friends, you can see the price of Babydoge coin is very low, so that's why I recommend for all of you to please invest in a Babydoge coin. Absolutely the price is low, so there is a possibility that Babydoge coin price pump and you will get profit my friends. So invest more and more in the Babydoge coin my friends. Furthermore my friends, the people also starting investing in a Babydoge coin my friends, because they know the future of Babydoge coin is bright. My friends, you can see here it is now a trending token in the market. You can see my friends why the Babydoge coin is trending in the market. My friends, you can see here, just look here my friends. Now in nowadays you can see sunshine, the price of sunshine is very low, that is why they are trending. FEG token, they are also, the price of FEG token is also low, that is why they are in trending. And Babydoge coin, you can see that the Babydoge coin price is also low my friend, that's why this token is now trending in the cryptocurrencies market. So buy this token and make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market. Thanks for watching this video. What is your opinion? What is your prediction? Please share in the comment box and don't forget to subscribe our channel my friend.